I'm Daniel Cowell.
And I'm Tally Cowell.
We're with Cowell Boutique Real Estate and eXp Realty. Do you want to live in a family-oriented community just steps away from the Glenmore Reservoir, where you can access some of the best walking paths, bike paths, and off-leash parks the city has to offer? What about recreational activities like canoeing, kayaking, and sailing?
Well, then we have a treat for you. Welcome to our newest listing in the Southwest Calgary community of Palliser and this main floor renovated walkout corner unit.
This is 9449 19th Street Southwest, Unit 104. This spacious unit has 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 titled parking stalls. It's so spacious with tons of natural light and in-unit laundry. Let's go check it out.
Apartment style living that feels like your own personal bungalow with an expansive floor plan that allows you to host family and friends with ease. Party room is also included in this building, as well as a gym and 2 titled underground parking stalls.
If you're an outdoor enthusiast that wants to be close to outdoor activities right outside your property, this is the spot for you. Not to mention amenities such as grocery, restaurant shopping from nearby Glenmore Landing and Oak Bay Plaza, and also Heritage Park, a great place to take your kids or families for a nice stroll throughout the day. If you're interested in this property, don't forget to reach out and book a showing today.